Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use delta symbols in Excel. If there is a value or changes, you want to show the changes in minus and plus. So how you can show it in delta symbol with the delta symbols. So I will show you in my Excel. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So here I have some data like and changes. So here I'm going to show you to apply the delta symbols here. Okay, so first you have to insert the delta symbol in any Excel. So just go to the help and type the delta. Okay, so delta will become, and here you can find the delta symbols from like is a many range you will find here like. So guys, here you have to find a Windows 3, and here you can find a delta symbol like this. Okay, this one just insert and click again another up one, right one, negative positive, and insert the both up. Insert here. If you are unable to find, there is a shortcut keys like you have to hold alt button. You have to hold alt button of keyword and just type 30. Then up delta symbol will come, and after you have to hold the alt button and type 31. Then down delta symbol has become. Okay, so now we got the delta symbols here. So now I want to apply on these changes. Okay, just select. First we have to copy this, and now select the all area where we want to apply. Click the right button and go to the format cell. In format cell, go to the custom, and here you have to type. So after the selection custom, here you have to type the color name which you want to indicate positive and negative or minus, or you know. So here you have to enter the color like I am using the green one. Green for positive. Okay, just also now you have to paste that and delete the minus one. So just take the positive. Now you have to enter the percentage which you want to give like in positive percentage. Okay, now I have to enter the semicolon, and now again we have to get color for negative value or minus value. Just copy paste the delta symbols. Now you have to delete, sorry, first one. So this is positive. Now you have to give minus, you have to give negative value, you have to indicate to Excel. Okay, it's okay, done. Now hit the OK, and you can see the data symbol has been applied. Okay, so this is the linked to this value. If we change this value, the percentage or delta symbol will be changed automatically. So that is how you insert a data symbol in Excel. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.